कभी सोचा है कि आप क्लॉड पे इमेजेस क्यों जनरेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो? वेल रिसेंटली आई वाज ट्राइंग टू जनरेट इमेजेस एंड आई वाज ऑफ कोर्स यूजिंग जेमिनी, चैट जीपीटी एंड आई वांटेड टू डू द कंपैरिजन। तो मैंने क्लॉड पे भी ट्राई किया एंड इट वाज जस्ट नॉट हैपनिंग, व्हिच गॉट मी क्यूरियस कि जो कंपनी आईबीएम के स्टॉक्स को 28% गिरा सकती है, वो कंपनी इमेज जनरेट क्यों नहीं कर सकती? सो नाउ लेट मी टेल यू द रीजन। एंथ्रोपिक के जो सीईओ है Dario Amodei, he actually has said that the core mission of Anthropic and what that sets them apart from any other AI lab is build AI that is helpful, honest and harmless. And harmless here being the very imperative word. And they take this harmless word very seriously. And if you really think about it, image generation is a safety nightmare. Deep fakes that can destroy the reputation or even influence elections. Non-consensual intimate imagery, child sexual abuse material risk, misinformation campaigns that can use hyper-realistic fake visuals, especially being a creator मेरी फटती है because anybody can fake and just pretend to say something and you don't really know if the person that you're trusting in is saying it or somebody else is saying it for them using AI. So because of all this, Anthropic made a choice that instead of looking image generation as a limitation, they just saw it as a feature, something that they don't want to enable. So if you really think about it, they want an AI tool that people can actually put their trust into and it doesn't surprise people or even worse shock people with outputs that are just not even ethical. This brings me to a very important discussion. ऐसी और क्या चीजें हैं जो AI को definitely monitor करनी चाहिए या regulate करनी चाहिए so that it's not defying the purpose for what it was made. And what else do you think? Claude would integrate image generation in future like Gemini or ChatGPT, or it wouldn't? Let me know in the comments.